Hey guys, today I'm going to do top 7 of my favorite Nerf guns. So first, the Flip Theory. I've had this gun for a long time. I got it like 7 weeks. So, all you do to cock this gun, pull this where it says Flip Theory back. And fire. Once you have all the darts out of there's 6 darts in each cylinder. So once you have run out of darts, you just pull this, and it will flip to the other drum. And this gun holds 12 darts, because 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. Next, I'm gonna have to move this chair back because this Nerf Mega gun is massive, and that's why it's called the Nerf Mega Mastodon. You pull this right here, you pull this, and it makes some wee sound. You pull that trigger, and let me show you. You pull this, and it makes some noise. You pull this, and it fires. It also has a jam door on it. If you guys can see that there, a jam door. I'm not sure if you can see that. That little orange door right there. Just open the jam door. Yeah, that's the Mega Mastodon. And also my favorite is this beast. It's the Roto Fury, and I love this because it shoots 10 darts, which is pretty good. So all you do to cock it, like that, and you also don't have to shoot like that. You can also shoot like this. You can hold the trigger, and it will just fire when you do that. See? But then you can also do this. It's rapid! What I like about this is it's rapid too, and it can shoot slam fire. So there's a lot of options with the Roto Fury. Shoots 10 darts. Mega Magnus. This is one of my favorite ones too. You just cock this thing back, and it is bam! It is down. It is good. It is a good gun, and I love it. It's a really good one. Next, we have Nerf Dual Strike. Mega Darts. Elite Darts. It's really cute. No, I'm for real. Okay. I'm just trying to make this a flutter. So, as you can see, it brushed my teeth this morning. So, and look. Elite Dart Space. Mega Dart Space. And it holds 3 Elite Darts and 3 Mega Darts. That's why I love it so much. And you can shoot both. And the reason why I like it is because you can shoot both, and it shoots 6 darts at a time. 3 Elite and 3 Mega, because 3 plus 3 equals 6. This rat. So this is the gun. It is called the Sharpfire Elite. And the reason I like it so much is because it's a Nerf fed blaster. It is a really cool Nerf blaster. Boom! Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so that's pretty hard to load. A million days later. Well, I'm back from all that shooting, and the way you cock this is you pull this back, push that in front, pull the trigger, and cool. And the cool thing about this gun is it's off. That's pretty cool. Hurt myself pretty bad. Okay. This gun too. That's pretty cool. My mom got this at Target. I heard that. And I love it. So since I love that gun, that's pretty good. And there's also some guns that I'll go and get, and I'll show you that I love. Okay, this is not really a Nerf gun that I love, but it is something that came with my Mega Mastodon that I love. This is called the Bandolier. As you can see, you're going to attach it to the Mastodon. I don't have it on my Mastodon because I'm strong enough to hold it without a bandolier. Doesn't that look so heavy? Mastodon is actually not that heavy. That was a lie when I said it's heavy. But then there's one time she really did. Say it's heavy. No, it's not. So here's the bandolier. Yay, I love it. And here's some cool little clips that you can attach it to. So you can see, you just pull this back, let it on something, boom. Pull this back, let it on something, boom. And you're done! So, that was the end of this video. Please subscribe.